Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Here is your science teacher, and today I am going to teach you about Unit 4 Roots. In this unit, today I will teach you the fill in the blanks and how to draw the fibrous roots and tap roots. Now let's see the first fill in the blanks. A root grows in the dash. A root grows in the dash. Can you tell me where the roots grow? Yes, the answer is a root grows in the soil. A root grows in the soil. So you can see in this picture, a root grows in the soil. This is the soil and root grows in the soil. So answer is soil. Now look at here. In this B, fill in the blanks. The statement is a root stores dash for the plant. A root stores dash for the plant. Can you tell me what the root stores for the plant? Yes, a root stores food for the plant. The answer is a root stores food for the plant. Food. So you can see in these pictures there are different roots, and these roots stores food for the plant. Carrot, radish and turnip, these are the examples of the tap roots, and they store much food for the plant. So a root stores food for the plant. The answer is food. Now here there is the C statement is some roots are dash and weak. Some roots are dash and weak. So we have studied in Unit 4 roots. So what are these types of roots? Yes, the answer is some roots are thin and weak. The answer is thin. Some roots are thin and weak. Now you can see here, these are roots and these are very thin, and here some examples of the thin roots are, you can see here in this picture also, these roots are very thin, and these thin roots are called, fibrous roots. So some roots are thin and weak. They do not store much food for the plant because these are very thin and weak. A thick root is called a dash root. We have studied the two types of roots. So what is a thick root is called? We have studied a thick root is called a dash root. So what is the name of this root? Can you tell me? Yes, the name of this root we call a tap root. So answer is tap. A thick root is called a taproot. A thick root is called a taproot. So look at here. This is a taproot. This is very thick and this grows in the soil and this root is very thick. And this root is called a taproot. Now here, this is the last statement. Dash roots do not store much food. Dash roots do not store much food. Which roots do not much food? Do you know? Which roots do not store much food? Yes, we have studied the two types of roots in this unit. So, fibrous roots do not store much food. You have studied fibrous roots do not store much food because these are very thin and they do not store much food. These are very weak and thin. That's why the fibrous roots do not store much food. The answer is fibrous. Now here we have studied the two types of roots in this unit number 4, taproots and fibrous roots. So also there is an activity to draw the taproot and fibrous roots. So let's see how can we draw these two types of roots. This is very simple to draw these types of roots. I will help you to draw the taproot and fibrous roots. So first I will draw a taproot. This is very simple. You can draw a radish or carrot like that. These are the leaves of this radish and this is an example of a taproot. This is I have drawn a radish. You can also draw the turnip or beet. These are some examples of the taproots. So here I am drawing a turnip and after drawing them you can color in these two types of roots. Okay, so this is called a taproot. Now you can color in their leaves or in these pictures easily. Now I will tell you how to draw the fibrous roots. So this is also very simple. You know, the fibrous roots have many branches of the same size and these are very thin and weak. So you can draw easily the fibrous roots like that. These are very easy. So we can draw the different branches and here you can draw the leaves of the plant like that. You know, The roots grow under the ground, and here you can draw easily the leaves, and you can color in these leaves green color. Okay, it's very easy to draw a fibrous roots. So can you draw now easily the fibrous roots? So it is called a fibrous roots. So it's very easy to draw a taproot and fibrous roots. So thank you so much for watching this video. Keep practicing and keep learning. Stay home and stay safe. Allah Hafiz.